Hello everyone, so welcome you all to a new journey. So we're discussing about some basic concept of chemistry, but I realized that basic concept of organic chemistry is very important. So I started general organic chemistry. So let's go. Let's start the lecture. Okay. So, as you know, this lecture is going to be on organic chemistry, basic concept of organic chemistry. So, as you know, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry. In chemistry we have different branches like inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, computational chemistry, analytical chemistry, and industrial chemistry and electrochemistry. And so different branches are there, but we are going to discuss the organic chemistry. So let's start. So we will discuss first that what is organic chemistry. Okay, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry. Let's see here. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry. So let's write this first. It is a branch of chemistry. Branch of chemistry. Branch of chemistry. And if it is a branch of chemistry, so what is organic chemistry about? Or which part of chemistry is discussed under organic chemistry? Okay, so let's see. In organic chemistry, we discuss the organic compounds. Discussion of organic compounds or the study of organic compounds. Let's see. Study of organic compounds. Organic compounds. Okay. Study of organic compounds is also known as the organic chemistry. So organic compound. What is organic compound? We listened or we know that what is compound and what is organic compound. This question will arise in your mind. So we'll discuss what is organic compounds. Okay, let's see. Organic compound. Okay, let's see here. What is organic compound? The compounds. What is compound? What is compound? Let's see. If some more atoms are there, okay. So just shortly, I can tell you. I can tell that a large number or not more than one. Okay, more than one or more than two. You can tell more than one atoms are there. Then it is called compound. For short, but the concept of compound is uh, very tough. So I will tell you that what is compound. That is if it has more than one atom, then it is called compounds. Okay, the compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen, maximum part, or the constituents of this compound is maximum in hydrogen, carbon. Okay, so can I write here the compounds? The compounds whose major constituents are consti constituents are carbon and hydrogen along with nitrogen, sulfur, and halogen, then that compound is also known as organic compounds. The compounds whose major constituents are or which contain maximum part or whose maximum part contains carbon and hydrogen also, okay, then that kind of compound will be called organic compounds. For example, you can take methane, CH4. Let's see here, one carbon is there and four hydrogen is there, and apart from carbon and hydrogen, no single different atoms are there, so that is called organic compounds. If you tell CH3OH, let's see here, CH3OH, so here, and you can add here oxygen also, okay, let's see here, only carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen are there, so it is called organic compounds, okay. Let's go to the next thing, that is history of organic compounds. So why we need organic compounds, what are the roles of organic compounds in our daily life, so these things I am going to discuss today, okay. Let's go. So let's discuss history about organic compound, okay. Okay, let's see, in ancient time, the chemist or the scientist were believing that the organic compounds, these are present only in the body of living organisms. We cannot make the organic compounds because there was a supernatural power which makes the organic compounds in living organisms, okay. The scientists or the chemists were thinking that there is something supernatural power which makes these kinds of organic compounds, but we cannot make them in chemistry laboratory, okay. See, let's see, you can write here, in ancient time organic compounds are present in only living organisms body, or you can write here, body of plants and animals, okay. The organic compounds were available only in living organisms like body of plants and animals, and from the or living organisms, the scientists were collecting the organic compounds, but after that uh, it it was too difficult to collect organic compounds like organic compounds from the living body. For collecting the organic compounds, they had to kill the living organisms, in some cases, so it is not good, so it was not illegal, sorry, it was not legal. So for to avoid this these problems, the scientists started to find the way through which they can prepare organic compounds in a laboratory, okay. Then finally one scientist whose name is Friedrich Euler, okay. What was his name, let's see, his name is Friedrich Euler Euler after so many giving so many efforts, too many research, finally Friedrich Euler prepared an organic compound from an inorganic compound in the laboratory, okay. So the first organic compound which was prepared in laboratory, that is urea. That is urea. What is the symbol of urea? NH2 CO NH2, you can See here that it is a organic compound because carbon and hydrogen are the constituent particles which are present in maximum parts. But along with carbon and hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen are there. So it is called an organic compound. So let's discuss some preparations or some processes through by which by applying the Friedrich Uller prepare the urea. Okay, let's see. One inorganic compound was there, that is ammonium cyanide. Okay, and as per CNO. Okay, and as per CNO, that is ammonium cyanide. Ammonium cyanide. Then what did he do? Only he heated it. I don't know what are the processes for making urea from ammonium cyanide, but in some books only these things is there. These things are there. So that is NS for CNO. You can write here in a laboratory. Laboratory, he prepared organic organic compound, that is urea. Okay. Let's see. It is urea. So these are basic things about the organic chemistry. So let's discuss some applications of organic chemistry. Applications. What are the applications of organic chemistry? As I think, whatever you are watching or you are looking in the environment, maximum things are related to organic chemistry. Okay, so different applications are there, like industrial, and in case of medicines, you can tell medicines and the field of different things, etc. Okay, so just try to find out the applications of organic chemistry. Okay, so it was our first lecture. So now I am going to end this lecture. So take care, bye bye. We will meet in another video. So till then, bye bye. Okay, thank you.